One of the best kitchen appliances you can have is a rice cooker. It cooks rice and other grains perfectly, and it saves time in the kitchen. You no longer need to worry about burning your food or having to watch over it while cooking. There are many types of rice cookers on the market that all do a great job at what they were designed for, but we will review every single one found online and find out their pros and cons so you know which is best for you. In this video, we will cover the best 5 rice cookers. Select all products depends on quality, reliability and customer satisfaction. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Aroma Housewares ARC954 SBD Rice Cooker. The Aroma Housewares ARC954 SBD Rice Cooker cooks up to 8 cups of your favorite variety of cooked rice. The steamer basket allows you to steam meat and vegetables while the rice cooks below. This cooker features automatic keep warm, white rice, brown rice, steam, and quick rice functions. It also has a sauté then simmer function that allows you to cook ingredients like onions or garlic before adding the rest of the ingredients for a complete meal. With a 15-hour delay timer, this cooker gives you flexibility in meal planning. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 2. Zojirushi NSSTSC 10.5-1/2 cup, Uncooked, Micom Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NSSTSC 10.5.5 cup, Uncooked, Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer is the best rice cooker on the market. This rice cooker has a non-stick surface that makes it easy to clean and maintain. It comes with a retractable power cord for maximum convenience and an inner lid that doubles as a serving bowl. The retractable power cord prevents accidents from occurring when you are using this product. You can use this rice cooker to make brown or white rice, depending on your preferences. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 3. Zojirushi NHS063 Cup, Uncooked, Rice Cooker. The Zojirushi NHS06 is the best-selling and most popular 3-cup rice cooker in America. It's a simple, easy-to-use rice cooker that produces perfect rice every time. The Zojirushi NHS06 has a see-through glass lid with a stay cool knob so you can watch your food cook without having to lift the lid and lose heat or steam. The non-stick inner cooking pan is removable for easy cleaning and dishwasher safe. This makes cleanup as simple as washing dishes by hand or putting them in the dishwasher. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Rice Cooker. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a smart, programmable pressure cooker with an extra-large display. It has 2 pressure modes, high and low pressure, 3 temperature settings, warm, normal, and cook. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 rice cooker can be used as a rice cooker, slow cooker, or steamer for healthy cooking without oil. It also functions as a sauté pan that allows you to brown food while sautéing in the same pot. The yogurt maker makes fresh yogurt from scratch easily and safely. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. Number 5. Breville BPR700 BSS Fast Slow Pro Slow Cooker. The Breville BPR700 BSS Fast Slow Pro is a programmable pressure cooker with an LCD screen that provides helpful information as you're preparing your meal. It features 11 preset cooking options and a custom setting to cook recipes of your own creation. The 3-way safety system includes a locking lid, automatic hands-free steam release, and a safety valve, making this pressure cooker safe for use. A keep warm function turns on after the cooking cycle has completed so food is ready to serve. For knowing the latest price, please check the description box. We are giving these 5 product links on the description. If you have any questions about these 5 products, you can comment below. And please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.